Very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based upon in which time zone you are presently in. Today I am going to demonstrate a tool which I have developed to ease the life of an infrastructure engineer who is working on AWS cloud. This tool is a menu driven and quite user friendly. This is developed in Python using AWS SDK. Certainly, at this stage, this tool is a basic tool and can do only basic operation. However, it can be enhanced based upon exact user's requirements. You must be familiarized with this console. This is a AWS console from where you provisions your AWS services. Although this console is extremely good, user friendly, and rich in functionalities. However, in some cases, my version of tool is quite appropriate. For example, when you can't allow AWS console due to a regulatory or a security concern in a company. Perhaps when you want to limit available options in the AWS console and maybe to put some custom validation and restrictions for the user. Even the same piece of code can be used as an infrastructure as a code and you can build your infrastructure on demand. So without wasting time, let me showcase my tool. You can see the tool is divided into three main parts. The very first part is a combination of inventory services. You can fetch the detail of EC2 services from your AWS account. In the second part, you can provision these EC2 services by using this tool. The third one is you can modify these EC2 services. I will take you through all the option one by one. Okay, so without wasting time, let me take you through the tool. With the very first options, as I said, it is a combination of inventory services. Okay, so let me pass the correct region name and you can see you can fetch the detail for the EC2 machine. You can get the detail for the security group. You can pull the information for the launch template, volumes, and snapshot. Just to validate the data, let me keep both the console and this tool side by side so that we can see the accuracy of the data. Okay, and you would not feel yes, the data is not accurate or it can be cached. Okay, so let me go one by one and if you will see, let me fetch the detail of the EC2 machines available in my account. So you can see right now 5 machines are provisioned in my account and you can validate the number with the AWS console. And let me click on the instances and you can see all the 5 machines with the same instance IDs are present in both the tools. Okay, right now 4 machines are in running state and one is in stop. Okay, so you can validate the data and you can see the data is 100% accurate and real-time data. Okay, similarly you can fetch the detail for the security group. Okay, so you can see right now 5 security groups are provisioned in my account and let's validate this data from the AWS console. So you can see right now 5 groups, security groups are available with the name Boto3 AWS Security Group, SSH Group, Automation SE, and the same names are also available in this data. Similarly, you can fetch the detail for the launch template, okay, and the volumes. Okay, you can see right now I have two launch templates and 5 volumes which are in use stage. Okay, just to validate these numbers again, you can see the volumes in my account are 5 and the launch instance are 3. So this is what we can do with the very first part of the tool. This is the inventory tool. Of course, these inventory detail can be emailed, can be pushed to the central CMDB to update the inventory automatically, and also can be shared as an audit report based upon the agreed frequency and schedule. So let me take you through the second part of the tool from which you can provision the services. Since the time is quite less, I will showcase only a couple of services. Okay. So first is, let me provision an EC2 machine from this tool. Okay. So I just need to give my choice as a 1. I need to pass on the launch template ID. Okay, how many machine I want to provision. Let's say 2 machines. Remember earlier I had 5 machines. Now 2 more machines are added in my account. Okay, with the ID 13C4 and 971. So let me refresh this table on the AWS console, and you can see right now the instances are 7. Okay, and if you want to see the detail here, you can see the 7, and these 2 new machines are added into my account. So you can see how easy it is, easy to provision the machine from this menu based driven tool. Similarly, you can provision a security group also with this. Okay, you just need to pass simple security group name. So security group automation, just to distinct a distinct name. You can see how quickly it has provisioned the security group. So let's validate the data in the AWS console. So you can see the security groups. Okay, let me refresh, and you can see the security group automation is added. Okay, at this moment this group doesn't have any inbound rule. Okay, so let me attach a inbound rule also to this security group. So let me copy the security group ID. Okay, and let me open port 80, which is an HTTP port. Okay, uh, from the public IP address, any public IP address. Okay, so it is a TCP, and you can see the rule is attached to the security group. How easy it is. And let's validate this data in the console. Okay, so sorry, this is what I have provisioned, and you can see the rule is added. Okay, so let me go quickly to the third part of the tool. Okay, where I can modify the EC2 services. Okay, of course you can provision other services also from this tool. Okay, so you can see right now 5 different services or the operations are added in this tool. Okay, you can fetch the current instance state. Okay, let me fetch the state for this stop machine. Okay, then you can start, stop, reboot, and terminate the machines. So you can see the machine is in stop state, which is absolutely correct. You can validate this data, and let me start this machine with the option 2. Okay, Okay, so you just see uh, machine is going to start. Okay, let's refresh the UI, the AWS console, and you can see this machine went into pending, and in quick time it will be in the running state. And let me show you how can I stop the machine. Okay, so with the option 3, and if I will pass this, you can see stopping the EC2 instance. Okay, similarly uh, you can terminate the machine, you can reboot the machine, and you can do different operations with the ease. Okay, so that's it, the demo of this tool. Thank you very much. If you want to know more about this tool, definitely I can help you. You just DM me. I will take you through the complete demonstration of the tool. I will share the link of the video which shows all the options. And if you want to customize this tool based upon your requirement, I'm happy to help you. Thank you very much. In the next series of the video, I would talk about IAM automation, which I have done through the same Python and AWS SDK. Welcome and thank you very, very much. Have a nice day.